Hello guys, so welcome back to Cosmos YouTube channel. Today we're going to give it hot on this particular site. Like I said, I'm not only going to show you how you can make money to this site, I'm going to withdraw. And for those of you that are having issues with connecting this site with your Binance, I'm going to show you the step-to-step processes that you're going to use here. So as you can see, we have up to 1,112.51 worth of catly coin. I am going to sell this catly coin into my Binance, which means I'm going to withdraw this catly coin into my Binance today. So I'm hoping that you guys should stay tuned. Make sure that you don't skip any of these videos and listen. Check this out. I have up to 1,112.505 catly, and in my actual balance I have about 4.45 USDD, and I can withdraw this money into my Binance. Like I say, my stock is still 500, and the airdrop that I have here is 500 watts of catly airdrop. So how can you sell this catly coin? Is by simply pressing on sell. So this is the actual page that you will see here. To sell catly, you will receive address. Like you can see, this is my Binance address, and the minimum that we can withdraw here on catly is 60 USDT. I don't know for you guys, should I actually withdraw this money now, or should I show you the way that you can earn more money? So I can just press 101. This is actually 0.3733 USDs. It's a kind of small. So let me just go and show you guys the more ways that you can make money into this site before I withdraw. So let's go to Lotto. Simply click on Lotto. I told you about this game, and this game is actually interesting, and I made a lot of money actually in this game. So I'm going to try and play a game today. If I lost, I'm going to use the minimum amount that I still have remaining to withdraw, but if I win, I'm going to withdraw the whole amount. So make sure that you keep on watching this video, because I'm going to show you everything right here. So let's go. So they say that we should just guess amount. I've showed you in my past videos about how it works, so I'm just going to go straight and make this money. So I'm just going to select this number, guessing that the address remaining here is one of these numbers, and I'm going to play this game. I don't know if this video is going to take much longer, but I want 60 catly coin, and this is actually great. So I don't know if this video is going to take much longer, because seeing it being like this, maybe in my next video I'm going to show you how you can connect to your Binance. But let's finish this up. So I want 60 catly. As you can see, I now have 152.51 catly in my wallet. So I'm going to try another game. So this is actually a guessing game, and it feels somehow. So let's go. Let's go. I don't want to fail losing this. Oh my god, I lost 50 catly, and I'm not going to play a game. So I'm going to just go straight and withdraw this catly, so you guys will actually see how to withdraw. So guys, I'm going to withdraw 102 worth of catly coin, which is about 0.00 something dollars. So we're going to checkmate it right now. So I'm going to withdraw 102 worth of catly, which is about 0.3400 USDD. So I'm going to withdraw this straight to this my Binance that you're seeing right there, and we're going to receive the alert and the proof. So let's go. I'm simply going to press sell. So as you can see, I just withdrawed 102 worth of catly into my Binance. So before we get the proof into my Binance, I'm going to go straight and show you how you can connect your wallet, your Binance, to this site. So for you guys that are actually asking about connecting, this is the video for you. So guys, so after you have signed up your valid email, the password, you have confirmed the password, and you have done the necessary. As you can see, I'm going to try and register an email, create another password. So guys, before we continue, I would like you to go to that YouTube channel that you're watching right now, subscribe on the YouTube channel and make sure that you click on the notification bell to get alerted whenever I post a new video. And simply go to that video that you're watching right now. Make sure that you drop a like, give us a nice comment, which is actually good. Tell us what you feel about this site. So anyway, to continue, after this that you've registered, you're going to actually put your Binance ID. You're going to create your Binance, and the ID that I've been seeing in your Binance, just like right here that I'm showing you. So all you need to do is to copy it and paste it. When that is done, you're going to send a minimum amount of USTDs, and you're going to receive the email in your Binance email. Like in your normal email, you're going to receive an email message. Simply copy the amount of numbers, the numbers that you see there, into this site, and you're going to register into this site. So that is the simple way that you can actually register into this site, by copying your user ID and confirming the code. So guys, make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel, like I say show. Click on that notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post a new video, and make sure that you stay tuned. For those that want to join us on our Telegram group, the description will be down there on our Telegram group, so make sure that you are here.